Hey everyone, I got here is a Dell OptiPlex 790. If you want to know anything about this one, I got this for free from work. We're throwing it away, so I repurpose it. Get that, vacuum that out. Anyway, I upgraded the power supply on this one already. If you want to see the video on how I did it, I'm gonna put a link in the description below. I did that so I can put a video card here, a third-party video card, and now I'm gonna upgrade that to a better card. This one right here, which doesn't fit. So it hits the cage drive or drive cage, whatever you wanna call it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna remove this one too. So I'm gonna remove this cage, the hard drive cage over here, and I also have a link in the description below how to remove this cage here. So two things you need to do when you're upgrading a video card on a OptiPlex is to change the hard drive, unless you buy one with that doesn't need power, which is slow. So replace the hard drive, link in the description below, and remove the hard drive cage, which the link in the description below too. Alright, so this thing's gonna go over here, and this hard drive is gonna go where the extra DVD player is supposed to go. Alright, so I'm gonna remove the hard drive cage, but I'm not gonna show it to you because I already made a video about it. So just follow the link in the description below. Alright, so I'm just gonna remove this out of the way before I do any work. Take this out. You need a screwdriver. Unplug the PCIe. Do this one. Pull that out and lift this up, which I can do with one hand. So I'm gonna have to put the camera down. I pull this out push this with one hand and pull the card out with other hand. Alright. So while you at it, clean everything. Clean the fan. Clean both fans. Clean the front. There was a lot of dust on it. I cleaned it. While you have it open, might as well clean it. Now the easy part, actually, the hardest part is taking out the cage. I hope you watched that video. If you just watch it, welcome back. I can't find my anti-static strap. Oh well. Anyway, I'm on the hardwood floor. Touch. Start this up. I'm gonna install here is the RX 570. It's really big. Sometimes it hits the SATA cable here, so you might have to change the cable into like this, right angle one or left. Anyway, you have to remove one of the sides. So open this up, push this down, and remove one of the plates. Okay. So there's a little tab here you can push that down to open. Okay. Now we take out one of the covers because you need both. There's two on this one. It takes two slots, so hopefully it doesn't hit the RAM or hit the thing here. Sometimes it does. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't. Its cable is it's hitting the cables, so I gotta push that down. And it's hitting the RAM too. There you go. Don't hit the RAM, the clips over here. Do it carefully. And it's hitting all the SATA cable here. Screw it. Go in, man. Go in. Alright, I have to put it in a hard surface. Alright, that's it. As you can see, first we're gonna close this. Okay, there's no room. So if you're gonna add more chips, you're gonna have to remove the video card again. Hopefully it didn't damage the whatever. Hopefully there's nothing there that touching the plastic tab here. In here, look at all the SATA cables being pushed. Hopefully there's no damage there too. But so I'm gonna plug it in. Hopefully it's okay. That's in. Now we're gonna put the power. As you can see, I put the hard drives here already. They're ready to go. So you need a 8-pin, 6 and this and PCIe. So there's a 6 and a 6 and a 2 here. So put the 6 and a 2. Here's the 6. Here's the 2. Put them close together. Pin here outside. I mean the clip. There you go. And that's it. Now just connect all the cables for the SATA now. Hopefully I didn't damage one. Let's put this back on, and now we're gonna see. Hopefully it sees the 2 hard drives and the video card. Alright, so I'm in my daughter's room, and this old one here, I still have a DVI connector. The card has a DVI, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna use the HDMI. So I got this adapter here, a DVI to HDMI, so I can put HDMI cable. So I'm gonna attach it to this one. That one I already put HDMI cable on that one. There you go. Type in that. So here's the video card again. DisplayPort, DVI. DVI I'm not gonna use. So I got the adapter. So this one I believe goes to the left side, and this one goes to the right. If it's not, then I'll just switch them over. I like to have the login on the right side, and the left side is for something else. It's up to you really. Let's plug the power in, and the mouse and keyboard. I'm gonna plug that in, then I'll start it. Alright, the mouse and the keyboard, that's all you need to plug in for now. Other ones don't plug it in yet until you know that it's good. So let me start it. Alright, I'm gonna go into the BIOS of this thing. Forgot F12. That's the boot. I go BIOS setup. Let's see. Video multi-display. Select. Gotta put enable multi-display. Alright. Alright, now it goes this way, it goes that way. See? So the arrow can go this way now. See the arrow? It's right here now. See? The arrow's on this way now. And if I want to go to the right, you just slide to the right and slide on the right. Yep. Right. Alright, so let's see if the card is running the ATI or is it running the Microsoft. I opened 2 of them. Alright, so I'll be back when this thing is done. Alright, so this PC, there's the SSD, it's working. Here's the hard drive, it's working. So it sees it, so it didn't damage anything, and showing the DVD player. So I did not damage any of the SDA ports. And as you can see, the video card is working. Right. Alright, so that's it, it's done. And it's working the way I want it to be, and it's running at max now. I put the ATI drivers on it. Also make sure you change the BIOS on your PC. Make sure it's to detect multiple display. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.